Kindiki, go to work already. No more speeches. We've had enough of those. And even as we see this going on, 9 police officers have been implicated in the murder of baby Pendo in the 12th of August 2017. Today, they were arraigned at the Milimani Law Court to answer to these charges. They were, however, released on bond and are set to appear before the magistrate next week to take a plea.
The 9 officers, including Titus Yoma, Titus Mitune, John Chengo, Benjamin Koima, Benjamin Lorema, Volker Edambo, Cyprian Rodi, Josephat Sensira and James Rono, today appeared before Justice Daniel Ogembo for plea taking in a case where they're accused of killing baby Samantha Pendo in the aftermath of the chaos witnessed after the 2017 general elections.
The accused are suspects who've been brought to you and have been suspected of committing grievous crimes.
However, the officers did not take plea after the prosecution asked for more time to review the case, with the defense lawyers arguing that their clients have another matter before the court, challenging their charging, and therefore they could not take plea, asking for 2 more months before coming back to court.
And so I do join issue with my colleagues, advocates for the accused, for the suspects, that the plea taking be halted until the constitutional petition is heard and determined. I believe, my lord, that this is a matter that has been in court for the past 5 years, and suspending the same for 1 or 2 months will not be prejudicial to the victims or any party involved thereof.
Our concern from as the prosecution was to ascertain the presence of the suspects in court.
Justice Daniel Ogembo has, however, dismissed their claims, saying it had no impact with the ongoing case, releasing each one of them on a bond on condition they avail themselves for plea taking.
I am of the view that even if plea is taken, the subjects will still be at liberty and will reserve their rights to pursue the intended constitutional petitions, which, if successful, could still even lead to orders that could declare the proceedings herein a nullity. Each of them who are present before the court will execute personal bonds of Kenya shillings 200,000 shillings.
The case, which has been ongoing for over 4 years, will be heard on Monday, the 21st of November, where the suspects are expected to take plea.
It is in the interests of both sides, therefore, that the subjects do take plea herein and to respond to the charges as urged by the prosecution and supported by counsel watching brief for the victims. In the circumstances, therefore, I am making the following orders. Number 1, that the plea hearing be deferred for 7 days. So we are taking plea on 21st of November. These are the orders of the courts.
Ian Keitani, Look Up TV.